Maths book, children, page 35. We have done page 33 and 34 yesterday. We were learning addition, different types of addition. So now, today, we'll do a different kind of addition. It's all addition only, right? Look at page 35 of your book, children. Okay. As yes, you can all hear me, right? Chalo. So, Abhi, now look at the example that is given on page 35. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Abhi, when we were doing 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, इसको ही हम दूसरे तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं. Same thing can be written as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The same thing. This kind of addition is known as adding across. And this kind of addition is known as adding down. जो साइड बाय साइड नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं उनको जब ऐड करते हैं तो दे आर नोन एज एडिंग अक्रॉस एंड दिस इज एडिंग डाउन. नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू एडिंग डाउन. राइट नाउ 3 plus 2 5 यहाँ पर भी है. 3 plus 2 5 is over here also. The answer, the number, everything numbers, everything are the same. It's only the method that is, not the method, sorry, the way of writing is different. Now let us see, come to this exercise, add by counting the figures. Veronica, switch on your mic please. Veronica, switch on your mic. Count the leaves in the first line, Veronica. Count the leaves. Count the leaves in the first line, Veronica.
Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I said only the first line, Veronica. Pay attention to what I am saying. Count the leaves in the first line.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Veronica,
9, 10.
Veronica, the leaves in the first line only. Count again. Count again. Start counting, child.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where can you see 5? Where can you see 5 leaves, Veronica? Arsalan, Veronica, switch off your mic. Arsalan, the leaves in the first line.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. And in the second line?
4.
Very good. So we will write
8.
4. 4. Plus sign is already there. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Please write it in your book, children. Write it in your book. 4 plus 4, 8. Achint, the leaves in the first line in the second question. Better switch on your mic. Switch on your mic, Achint.
5 leaves.
No. We are talking about this sum. No, we are talking about this sum, Achint. We are talking about this sum. Okay? Count.
There are 3 leaves in our first.
In the first line, very good. And Achint, in the second line.
There are 6 leaves in our second.
Very good. 3 plus 6 is equal to? 3 plus 6 is equal to?
9.
Very good. 9. Please write in your books, children. Please write in your books. Ashmi. The next one, child. Count. Ashmi, the leaves in the first line. Ashmi, how many leaves in the count again, Ashmi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, only 5 in the first line. And in the second line?
1, 2.
Very good. So, 5 plus 2 is equal to Ashmi?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. And Hanifa, the last sum. Hanifa, the last sum. Hanifa, the last sum.
Yes.
How many leaves are there in the first line, Hanifa?
2.
And in the second line? Ekag, will you please switch off your mic? Yes, Hanifa. Very good. 2 plus 2 is equal to?
4.
Good. 2 plus 2 is? Written, all of you? All of you written? Now, yes, Ekag, what were you saying? Ekag, you are not supposed to interrupt when I'm speaking. Yes, what were you saying?
राइट वाला कब करे? मैम राइट सम कब करे?
राइट सम कब करें? सब हो तो गए. Ekag, beta, you normally don't pay attention, child, and then you disturb. Okay, children. Come down to the next sum. Add the following numbers by drawing strokes. One has been done for you. Now the first one has been done for you. 3 plus 5. Where there is 3 written, 3 lines are drawn. And where there is 5 written, 5 lines are drawn. You add 3 plus 5, which becomes 8. Now, in the next sum, 8 plus 1, Myra, In the first sum 8 plus 1, first square में कितने strokes draw करना है? How many strokes will you draw in the first square, Mahira?
8.
Very good. And in the second square, how many strokes will you draw?
1.
And 8 plus 1 is equal to?
9.
Very good. Do it all of you quickly. All of you do it quickly. Next one 6 plus 3 and the next one 5 plus 1. I am giving you 2 minutes to complete this. It's an easy one. Shayan, what happened? Finished? Shayan, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who have finished, please turn to page 35 now. Page 35. Do the next sum 6 plus 2. Do the next sum 6 plus 2. Draw 6 strokes in the first square, 2 strokes in the second square. This is all adding down, okay? All these sums are adding down sums. Next one, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Laiba, I have not asked for any work to be sent to me. Send only the work when I ask for it. Please delete it. Laiba, delete the work from the group quickly. Next one, 4 plus 4. Yes, Vidushi, what you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do you want to say? What happened, Vidushi? You are not there anymore. Next, 7 plus 3. Now when you are writing the answer, see that you are writing the numbers in the correct square. This is important. 7 plus 3.
Left leg. Sorry.
Why are so many mics on?
Sorry, left foot. Please.
So Sayan beta, switch off your mic. See how I have written 10. Please make sure that you are writing 10 like this only. Shayan, quickly beta. Okay. The next one, Shayan, very good. The next one, 2 plus 7. Continue with your work, children. 2 plus 7.
Ma'am, I am done.
Okay, children. Have you all done this? Now you can send me the image of this
Ma'am, I am done.
in the group.
Ma'am, I am done.
Children, please don't
Ma'am,
switch
I
off.
am
Please
done.
don't switch off your mic to tell me that you are done.
Ma'am, I am done.
Children, all of you, please switch off your mics. Laiba, you don't know how to obey. I keep telling you
Ma'am,
all.
I have done.
I said don't switch on your mic and tell me ma'am I have done. Simple English and Hindi नहीं समझ में आती?
Ma'am, I have done.
Who said this I have done? Start sending me the work in the group, please. Quickly.
Man in personal of group.
What did I say just now? You don't listen to what I am saying, child? Yes, Hanifa. Correct, Arsalan. Yes, Hashvi, correct. Send me a clearer picture, please, but it's correct. Veronica, next page. Second page, Tasmia. Keep sending me to the group, please. Yes, children. Myra, please follow the instructions. Just see how I have written 10 on the blackboard. I have been teaching you from day one. You cannot write two numbers in one square. And see what you have done, Myra. Look into your book. Myra Fatima, look into your book. And blackboard पे देखो मैंने 10 कैसे लिखा है. In both the places, please write 10 properly, Mahira. The same goes for Ekagr. Ekagr, in 7 plus 3 it is 10. 6 plus 4 is not 9 Ekagr. Please check it. And also, when you are adding down Ekagr, you don't have to put the sign of is equal to. Please rub out the sign of is equal to from all the sums. तुम्हें कहीं is equal to का sign मेरे sums answers में दिखाई दे रहा है? Check your answers, Ekagr. Laiba, please write 10 properly as I have been telling you one number in one square. 0 comes between below 7 and 3 and 1 comes in the next square. Yes, Ekagr, what do you want to know? Ayansh, 7 plus 3, 10. Please see how you've written 10. Please correct it, Ayansh. 1 goes towards the 10's square. Yes, Myra, now you've written it correctly. Okay, children. Those who have not sent me the work, please send it. And in the meantime, take a break of 15 minutes. We will meet after 15 minutes with the science books, children.
Ma'am, please check my work.